Last time I talked about why we need SQL. So now let's see how can we use it. First thing to do before storing data is creating our database. It's very simple. I will make an example with MySQL in PHP myadmin. It's look like we talk to SQL to make things. Let's try this. SQL, I want to create my database. So we need to execute create database and specify the name. For example, create database and specify the name. So I will make a test and we execute. Here we are with our new database. So now, SQL, I want you to delete this database. We will use the word drop instead of delete. Delete, we will use it later for other command. So drop database and specify the name. Now, if you want to rename your database, you need to do 4 steps. First step is to make dump of your database in SQL file. The second, you need to create your new database. The third, you need to drop your old database. And the last thing to do is to re-import your DB with your SQL file. And if you use something like PHP myadmin, those commands will be more easier. For example, you can create your database here, the name, create, easy. For other operation, we will go here, we will rename, for example, here test1. Here we go. PHP myadmin tells you that he will create a new DB and he will drop the old one. Here we go. And also we can remove with drop.